What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and you know we are scaling and sending for RC supremacy. Welcome back, everybody. And today, if you're just joining us for the first time, we really appreciate you sliding through. And we are mixed. The channel's encompassing a lot of drifting. We're heavily rooted in the rear-wheel drive drift scene. We're dabbling in a little bit of crawling, and in the future, going to be incorporating some FPV cinematography to the mix. Just kind of everything that we're trying to incorporate and move forward with on the channel. If you're into it, come for the ride. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, share it with the homies. If it's anything relatable, we'd really appreciate it. For those of you returning, you know the scene's looking a little different. We're on the opposite side of the workbench today. You're probably like, what is that? Boys got ferns and color and flowers. Guys, in my defense, this area right here was never on film because it was like a resting, like a daybed area. You know, resting girlfriend, dog, chill. It's no more of that, no more rest, no more sleep. It's grind time. Your boy is invested heavily. The last few days I went down south and I bought a portion of 1/10 Graphics vinyl cutting division. He is no longer going to be serving the vinyl cutting community. Going to be focused on all full color designed liveries, and that's going to be both the 110 and 1-to-1. He's getting business there, so hats off to him, man. He's definitely put in a lot of work in the last year, and that's Lester at 1/10 Graphics. Huge deal he cut me. I cannot thank him enough. He ended up getting rid of his vinyl cutter, his heat press, 11x17 inkjet printer, full format, as well as 50 plus vinyls in color, 100 t-shirts, and hours and hours and hours and hours of design work, all in the cloud. So again, thank you so much. I had to hop on that deal. I made the moves, and with anything, guys, if it's something you want, chase it. If it's something you want, chase it. I took the risk. I had to make these moves. It was only in line for the channel, and hey, if some business opportunities arise from it, that's wonderful. But to cut the middleman out of my vinyl, of course, into my merch eventually, then you know that obviously plays a big role in expediting and getting this stuff to you guys faster. So it was a no-brainer. The one big issue I do have, for those that do know me on a personal level, right now my girlfriend and I are sacrificing it heavily, and we're living in an RV. We're grinding. We're trying to get on our acreage that we have goals for. Another half a year or so, hopefully we'll obtain. I need to make do with what I have. So literally my wingspan is my hobby room, my production, and then now gonna be facilitating a business. Definitely a change of pace. This entire video I'm gonna just go through, you know, reorganizing and setting that up for production and efficiency in case we do end up pumping out some sales, and then again just kind of show you, you know, what it takes to kind of execute space and do it on a minimum. So again, I really appreciate you guys taking the time. Check out the video. Please like, share, subscribe if it's relatable, and if it's something that you guys dig, I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get into this. These black bags right here have the stuff that I built down south when I went to go purchase this and used all my dad's equipment. It's basically some wood framing. I'll bust that out and just explain some of that to you real quick. But yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. I just need to assemble a few more screws, and yeah, it should start to take place. So again, let's go, guys. I really appreciate it. Guys, a pretty basic. Two of these, they will be modular. I'll have 4 1.5 by 1.5 birch wood legs that will be screwed into these, and again, there'll be 2 of these. So I'll have these side by side on top of this bedding, and then one more smaller platform above to help hold the printer. last night I ran into a slight issue, guys. I worked until about midnight or so, got all the platforms done in the tabletop space. Luckily overnight nothing fell over or toppled on me, so it looks like it should be pretty sound. But I did run into an issue with my LED bar when I was trying to install it to light up the area. It has like some mounted legs that makes it all modular, so I'm gonna actually repurpose it. I made this prior to an event a couple of months ago in Tennessee, so I'm gonna repurpose it, try to light up the workspace, and go to Home Depot, line up all that PVC to get this project done, guys. So let's go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Shit. Hey, we're really close. I just finished up wrapping up the LED bar mock-up. Need to get one more bracket just to actually secure it to the wall a little bit better, but I am happy with the way it turned out. Is on this little shelf right here, and like I said, just gonna put one more bracket up there. So definitely happy with that. Run all the wires and light her up. But on to the next step right here. Joking about it earlier, I'm gonna be getting rid of this curtain right here. It's all business now. We're gonna get into that vibe. What better way to you know, make it rain a little cashish? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and break out the sewing machine, get this sewed up so we can hang it up and go from there. But hey, your boy does know how to use a sewing machine. He is domesticated. You guys gotta have that arsenal. You guys gotta have all the tools. You guys gotta know how to do it at least a little bit. And hey, don't let anything stop you, and keep it going, guys. Keep it going.
I let you into my diary to admire me. The makeup of this man, I let you see the higher me. The self-righteous drug dealer dichotomy. I'm drawing from both sides, I am Siamese. The tug of war opens the door, Entrada. Rip me apart and see what's inside of this pinata. Enrolling kilos in Jim Strata, that's one saga. One chapter of black magic, I'm Harry Potter. Feels like I'm doomed to dealing with women who relationships with their fathers won't allow us to bloom.
that is going to conclude this video, guys. I really appreciate it if you made it this far, but I have been sitting on this edit because I've just been trying to get comfortable with all the equipment. The vinyl game is there. We already have stuff in the mail as we speak to people. Just getting comfortable with the heat press. It is cooling down here in Central Florida, so I did whip me out a hoodie, 2-color, red and white. Just here's some of the examples of what we're going to be able to tackle here in the near future if requested. But full color iron-on. Here's a 2-color vinyl heat transfer right here, and that's going to be red and white. Got a 1-color. This is on white. Another multi-color heat transfer. Yeah, I'm really impressed. I mean, not only is the Cricut super accurate, the thing is a workhorse. It was going for about 4 hours the other day, just miscellaneous stuff. I couldn't be any happier with it. It's gonna be a wrap. If there's anything that I can help assist you with, any vinyl work, anything custom garment wise, there's no minimums. I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up just to get it to you guys satisfied, get you on the track, scaled out, sending and sliding. But until next time, I really appreciate it. Again, guys, be on the lookout for the driver profile series that's dropping in the next couple days. The introduction to that is unreal. I got Manny Nito collabing with me on that, and it's sick. I'm in post edit right now. It should be out in the next couple days. But again, be on the lookout. We're gonna be 100% uploading 2 times a week at minimum, and we're gonna be consistent on it. So guys, again, I really appreciate it, and until next time.